Welcome to the channel. If you're preparing for your ENG001 midterm exam, this video is for you. Today, we'll be going over everything you need to know to ace your midterm. From writing basics to sentence structure, active, passive voice, and more, we've got it all covered. Let's dive right in. ENG001 Midterm Preparation Lectures 1 to 15. Before we start, let's quickly go over what we'll be covering today. Writing basics, journalistic writing, qualities of good writing, parts of speech, active and passive voice, reported speech, sentence types, common sentence errors at the end of the video. We'll also go through a quiz and short questions to test your knowledge. Writing basics. Let's start with writing basics. Writing is all about expressing your thoughts and ideas using words. Whether you're making a list, writing a letter, or sending an email, writing helps you organize your thoughts and communicate with others effectively. Why is writing important? Writing serves three key purposes: practical use, making lists, taking notes, writing instructions. Social use, messaging friends or posting on social media. Professional use, writing emails, reports, or job applications. Journalistic writing. Next up is journalistic writing. This type of writing is used in news articles, blogs, and reports. Its goal is to present facts in a clear and accurate way, ensuring the audience is well informed. Qualities of journalistic writing. Accuracy, always report facts correctly. Clarity, write in simple, direct language that everyone can understand. Objectivity, stick to the facts, without adding personal opinions. Good writers versus good writing. Now, let's discuss good writers versus good writing. A good writer uses creativity and clear expression to connect with readers. On the other hand, good writing is clear, concise, and easy to understand. Good writing qualities. Clarity. Write in a way that's easy to understand. Coherence. Ensure that ideas flow logically. Brevity. Be concise and avoid unnecessary details. Engagement. Make your writing interesting by using examples or asking questions. Parts of speech. Now, let's talk about parts of speech. There are 8 parts of speech in English, and understanding these will help you write clear and effective sentences. The 8 parts of speech: nouns, names of people, places, or things, e.g., school, book. Pronouns, replace nouns, e.g., he, she. Verbs, action words, e.g., run, jump. Adjectives, describe nouns, e.g., beautiful, tall. Adverbs, describe verbs, e.g., quickly, quietly. Prepositions, show relationships, e.g., on, under. Conjunctions, connect words or clauses, e.g., and, but. Interjections, express emotions, e.g., wow, oops. Active and passive voice. Let's now discuss active and passive voice. The voice of a sentence shows the relationship between the subject and the action. Active voice. The subject performs the action. Example: Ali wrote the letter. Passive voice. The subject receives the action. Example: the letter was written by Ali. Active voice is generally clearer and more direct, but passive voice can be useful when you want to focus on the action or the object rather than the subject. Reported speech. Let's move on to reported speech. Reported speech is used when we report someone's words indirectly, instead of quoting them directly. Example of reported speech: direct speech. She said, "I am going to the store." Reported speech: she said that she was going to the store. In reported speech, the pronouns and verb tenses usually change. Sentence types. There are 4 main types of sentences. Declarative, makes a statement. Example: I like pizza. Interrogative, asks a question. Example: do you like pizza? Imperative, gives a command. Example: eat your pizza. Exclamatory, expresses excitement or strong feelings. Example: wow, this pizza is amazing. Common sentence errors. Let's finish by talking about common sentence mistakes you should avoid, like run-on sentences and fragments. Run-on sentences. A run-on sentence happens when two independent clauses are joined together without proper punctuation or a conjunction. Example: I went to the park, I bought some ice cream. To fix it, you can add a conjunction or punctuation. I went to the park, and I bought some ice cream. Fragments. A fragment is an incomplete sentence that lacks a subject or verb or doesn't express a complete thought. Example: because I was late. Fix it by adding more details. Because I was late, I stayed home. Quiz and short questions for practice. Let's test your knowledge with a quick quiz and some short questions. Question 1. What is the purpose of writing in professional settings? Answer: to communicate ideas clearly. Question 2. What are the 3 key purposes of writing? Answer: practical use, social use, professional use. Question 3. What is the difference between active and passive voice? Answer: in active voice, the subject performs the action. In passive voice, the subject receives the action. Question 4. What is reported speech? Answer: reported speech is when we report someone's words indirectly without quoting them directly. Question 5. What are the 4 types of sentences? Answer: declarative, interrogative, imperative, and exclamatory. Short questions. What is a fragment, and how do you fix it? Answer: a fragment is an incomplete sentence. To fix it, add the missing subject or verb. Give an example of good writing. Answer: the morning sun was warm, and the gentle breeze made the walk through the park peaceful. What is the difference between a noun and a pronoun? Answer: a noun names a person, place, or thing, while a pronoun replaces a noun, e.g., he, she, it. Conclusion: that's it for today's ENG001 midterm preparation. I hope this video helps you feel more confident for your exam. We've covered writing basics, parts of speech, active, passive voice, reported speech, sentence types, and common errors to avoid. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and leave any questions in the comments below. Good luck on your midterm, and I'll see you in the next video.